Today we are going to be focusing on seashells. We are going to be using plate M388. So I've been thinking about doing this look, and I think this is the perfect design to do it too. So you're just gonna stamp this on like that. Okay, so now we're gonna randomly apply colors. These 3 colors, again, these all came from the Electrical collection, and then this one. So this is Sandbar B475, and you're just gonna apply 1 coat over the entire design. I like that this blue is a nice dupe for black. Okay, trying to line this up on camera, wish me luck. Ooh, I like the way the blue came out, much cuter than I imagined. For this design, we are going to do an all-over gradient on the nail, just randomly, and sponge some color on. Then you're gonna get something like that. And for this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint fish scale over. And I'm gonna choose the starfish. I think that look really cute with our design here. I wanna do it in blue because I think it'll go so well. Not exactly how I wanted it to go, but also not terrible. Now I'm gonna use this design, and then we'll try another trick with these. So I'm just gonna do like a smudge-a-cure kind of situation. You can either use a dotting tool to do this, or you could just use toothpick. So we're gonna just smush it on. Check this out, like effect that's happening here. I love it. Huh. Well, that's something we learned together. Still cute though. I like the way that they all turned out.